Stutz, and I have the honor of being one of the 2025 Fuse US Connect Conference co-chairs. For those of you who are familiar with the Fuse US Connect, you realize the virtues and benefits that you gain from interacting with industry experts, networking with colleagues, and contributing to the future of the work that we're all doing. First-time attendees, the Fuse US Connect provides an amazing opportunity to network with your industry peers, gain greater awareness into the future of drug development, and gain advanced skills to help with your own career goals. We have an amazing array of Connect streams in 2025, including our hands-on workshops, professional development, leadership, and interactive discussions where panelists and experts provide their own best practices and deep knowledge. I can tell you from personal experience that every US Connect I've attended has left me with a stronger, more capable understanding of the common problems we all face, and better equipped me to turn those problems into meaningful solutions. Registration for the 2025 US Connect is open now, but space is limited, so act now and secure your spot in our industry's premier event.
Hi, everyone. My name is Harper Forbes, and I am one of your Fuse US Connect 2025 co-chairs. I look forward to seeing you in Orlando next year, and I thought I'd share some of the reasons why you might want to attend, whether or not you're a individual that's new to data science in the pharma and biotech industry, or if you're more experienced. So for those that are new to industry, this is a great opportunity to engage and interact with those in the pharmaceutical and biotech data sciences. We'll have that opportunity through workshops, presentations, poster sessions where you can learn about what's happening in the industry. And for those who might be more experienced, whether or not you're a people leader or a technical leader, there'll be ample opportunities to engage with other leaders. We're going to have them on panel discussions. They're also going to be giving presentations. And of course, whether or not you're new or you're experienced in the industry, there'll be opportunities to connect with one another through networking sessions and other interactive based discussions. So once again, whether or not you are new to industry or experienced to industry, the Fuse US Connect 2025 will be ample opportunity to be able to learn, connect, and engage with others in the industry. So I look forward to seeing you at Fuse US Connect 2025 in Orlando. Thank you.